Good morning, students of class 8. Welcome to our English period. Today let us continue the same poem, The Plate of Gold. We are on page number 57 on the second stanza. The news ran swift as light, and soon from every quarter came nobles and munshis, hermits, scholars, holy men, and all renowned for gracious or for splendid deeds. Meanwhile, the priest in solemn council sat and heard what each had done to merit best the gift of heaven. So for a year the claimants came and went. So after the proclamation was done or made in the city, many more people came. Fine. The news of the plate of gold spread far and wide. It spread or it ran as swift as light. We know that light is faster than anything. So the news was so swift, it spread out in every quarter, that is in every corner of the city. And thus nobles and munshis, nobles means the kings or the knights. Munshis are the accountants. Hermits are those holy men who have given away the worldly pleasures and prefer to stay in forests, away from the society. Scholars means the learned people, holy men, and all renowned for gracious or for splendid deeds. Splendid means huge, big. So people from far and wide of all category came and assembled at the temple court in Banaras. For what reason? To claim their right over the plate of gold. And they narrated all their deeds, all the kind of work, the noble things that they did for the poor people or for the society. The priest heard to all of them, but they were not happy. And so they couldn't give the gift, that is the plate of gold, to anybody. So this continued to happen for a year. At last, after a patient weighing of the worth of all, the priest bestowed the plate of gold. Bestowed is to reward as a gift or to present as a gift. The priest bestowed the plate of gold on one who seemed the largest lover of the race. Of the race means what? Of the same kind. Means to another man. Fine? To the mankind. Whose whole estate within the year had been parted among the poor. This man, all trembling with his joy, advanced to take the golden plate. So after a year, what happened? The priest finally came across a person whom they thought was the right one to receive the plate of gold, the gift from heaven. Isn't it? And that person, why did they think so? Because this particular person seemed to be the lover of mankind. Why? Because he had given away all his property, all his money, and distributed among the poor. And now he did not own anything. So the priest thought that this particular fellow was the right person to own the plate of gold. And so they presented him the plate of gold. And let us see what happened when the person stretched his hands to take the plate of gold. This man, all trembling with his joy, advanced to take the golden plate, when lo, at his fingers' first touch it changed to basest lead. Basest lead is the the cheapest kind of metal, which looks blackish, grayish black in color. So, this person who was supposed to be the righteous one to own the plate of gold, because he had given all away his property to the poor. So the priest thought that he was the right one, but the moment he touched the plate of gold, the glittering, the gleaming plate of gold changed to lead. It started looking like grayish black in color, and therefore all stood aghast. Aghast means shocked and horrified. So all were horrified. All were shocked and horrified on seeing this. But when the hapless claimant dropped it clanging on the floor, heaven's garden was again transformed to shining gold. So that means when this fellow was having this plate of gold in his hands, and because of what the plate of gold changed to lead, he then dropped down the plate of gold down on the floor, and the moment it fell down, the reward or the gift from the heaven changed and transformed to shining gold back to its luster again. So this showed that that person was not the right one to own the plate of gold. So for another 12 months sat the priest. Please make a correction here. It is the, and it is months over here. So for and also for. So for another 12 months sat the priests and judged. So this went on again for another year. 12 months make 1 year. So the priests again sat together and they again made a proclamation, and more people flocked in. They had to listen to all the people about their noble deeds. So this went for another 1 year. Thrice they awarded, means in this next 1 year they came across 3 gentlemen whom they thought were the righteous ones to receive the plate of gold. Okay, but then thrice did heaven refuse the gift. But again the same thing happened with those 3 people also. The moment they touched the plate of gold, it would turn to lead. Meanwhile, a host of poor maimed beggars in the street lay all about the temple gate, in hope to move that love whereby each claimant hoped to win the gift. Means, in the meanwhile, what happened? Not only the pilgrims, not only the claimants, but also the poor people came there. Which poor people? Means beggars. Beggars also came in large numbers and stayed near the temple. For what reason? In the hope that they would get alms from all those who had come to own the plate of gold. They thought these people would do charity, and by offering them some kind of alms in the form of golden coins, in the form of food, in the form of clothes, and thus they all came near the temple. And well for them it was, if gold be charity. For every pilgrim to the temple gate praised God, that love might thus approve itself before the test. And so coins rained freely in the outstretched hands. Outstretched hands, whose hands were outstretched? The beggars, the poor people's hands were outstretched because they were standing near the temple in order to receive alms, in order to receive coins, money. But none of those who gave so much as turned to look into the poor sad eyes of them that begged. So many people came there. Many pilgrims came there to visit the shrine. Many claimants came there to own the plate of gold. And thus many people, many beggars, many poor people also came there in the hope of getting more and more alms over there. And of course the people did give them money. They rained coins, means they gave a lot of money to the beggars. But nobody even had nobody bothered to look into their sad eyes. Let us see what happened later in the next video. Thank you.